Good day, grade 7. This is Miss Hazel Soriano, your subject teacher. We are in quarter 1, module 5. Our topic is all about percentage composition. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to express concentrations of solutions quantitatively by preparing different concentrations of mixtures according to uses and availability of materials. So, let's proceed to percentage composition or the concentration of solutions. We define concentration as the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solution. So here's an example. In the illustration, we have the vinegar. So the 5% label means it has 5 gram of acetic acid and 100 gram of vinegar. Another example is the alcohol. The 70% label in an alcohol means 70 milliliter of alcohol is present. But how can we compute the concentration of a substance? Yes, we will compute the concentration of the substance using this quantitative method, the percent by volume and the percent by mass. Let's proceed to the percent by volume or the volume of solute present in 1 milliliter of solution. Here's the formula. Percent volume is equal to the volume of solute all over volume of solution multiplied by 100, or the volume of solute all over the sum of the solute and the solvent multiplied by 100. Here's the sample problem. Are you ready?
If yes, let's go to solve.
Find GUFSA or the given, the unknown, the formula, the solution, and the answer.
Here's the first problem. What is the percent by volume of a solution formed by mixing 25 ml of isopropanol with 45 ml of water? So first, let us identify the given. The given is 25 ml of solute and 45 ml of solvent. And of course, the unknown is percent by volume. Now, the formula we are going to use is percent by volume equals to volume of solute all over the sum of the solute and the solvent multiplied by 100. Here's the solution. So, you are going to substitute the value of the volume of solute, which is 25 ml, all over the value of solute and solvent, which is 25 ml plus 45 ml, and then you will multiply it to 100. Now, let us solve the problem. Percent by volume is equals to 25 ml all over the sum, which is 70 ml. Of course, in solving, if it is the same unit, you are going to cancel it out. So the result will be 0.36 multiplied by 100 is equals to 36%. So, the percent by volume of a solution formed by mixing 25 ml of isopropanol with 45 ml of water is equals to 36%. Let us take this another example. A 300 ml sample of wine contains 37.5 ml of ethanol. What is the percentage by volume concentration of ethanol in the wine sample? Just like in the first problem, we are going to identify the given. 37.5 ml is the solute and 300 ml is the solution. And also, we are looking for percent by volume. And the formula that we are going to use is the volume of solute all over the volume of solution multiplied by 100. Of course, here's the solution. So just like in the first one, we are going to substitute 37.5 ml for the volume of solute all over the 300 ml volume of solution, and we are going to multiply the answer by 100. And take note that you have to cancel out the same unit. So, let us solve. 37.5 ml all over 300 ml will be 0.125. So 0.125 multiplied by 100 is equals to 12.5%. And so, the percentage by volume concentration of ethanol in the wine sample will be 12.5%. Now we go to percent by mass, or the amount of solute in each mass of solvent. Here's the formula. Percent by mass is equals to the mass of solute all over mass of solution multiplied by 100. And percent by mass is equals to mass of solute all over solute plus solvent multiplied by 100. So let's go to the sample problem. Okay, so to solve, find GUFSA first, given the unknown, the formula, the solution, and the answer. So let us solve the sample problem number 1. What is the percent by mass concentration of a solution that contains 3.15 grams of salt dissolved in 6.5 grams of water? So let us identify the given. The solute will be 3.15 grams and the solvent will be 6.50 grams. And of course, the unknown is percent by mass. The formula we are going to use is percent by mass equals to mass of solute all over mass of solution multiplied by 100. So here's the solution. You are going to substitute 3.15 grams to the mass of solute and 3.15 grams plus 6.50 grams for the mass of solution multiplied by 100. So the answer will be 3.15 grams all over 9.65 grams. Remember class that you are going to cancel out the same unit will be equal to 0.33 multiplied by 100, that is 33%. So, the percent by mass concentration of a solution that contains 3.15 grams of soap dissolved in 6.5 grams of water is 33%. Here's another example. What is the percent by mass if 8 grams copper is added to enough zinc to produce 100 gram iron? The given is 8.0 solute and 100 gram solution. So here's the unknown. It is percent by mass. And the formula we are going to use is percent by mass equals to mass of solute all over mass of solution multiplied by 100. So here's the solution. Percent by mass is equals to 8 grams, which is the mass of solute, and 100 grams, which is the mass of solution, multiplied by 100. So, let us solve. 8.0 grams all over 100 grams will be 0.08 multiplied by 100, and it is 8%. So the percent by mass if 8 grams of copper is added to enough zinc to produce 100 gram iron will be 8%. So thank you for listening.